The Action Box Cine is one of the coolest GoPro inventions I've seen in quite some time. I happen to love it when companies and inventors create cool new products that we can use with our cameras, especially products that make the filming experience better and ultimately help produce better quality footage. And the Action Box Cine definitely does that. Ulysses, the founder of Dragonfly Optix, reached out to me about a product he'd invented known as the Action Box Cine, and he wanted to know if I would like to try it out. I told him certainly, I would love to try it. So Ulysses sent me this pre-production model right here, and I have to say, I'm very impressed. And by the way, Dragonfly Optix currently has an active Kickstarter campaign for the Action Box Cine, and this campaign ends really soon. I've linked to the campaign in the description below if you'd like to be a part of helping get this campaign off the ground. So let's talk about the Action Box Cine and how it will elevate your GoPro filming experience. The Action Box Cine is a type of matte box that makes it easy for you to mount your GoPro inside. It's really easy to pop the GoPro right in there and then shut this back compartment, and the GoPro is latched into place. And this means when you need to get your GoPro out to change the battery or the micro SD card, you don't have to unhook anything to get it out. All you have to do is simply open this hatch at the back and pop it out. Easy stuff. One of the biggest features of the Action Box Cine is this top shade right here. You can easily lift this up, and what this does is it blocks glare from the sun. If you've ever had that glare from the sun on your GoPro lens, you know exactly what I mean. This top shade is especially useful for time lapses and any time where your camera could be facing the sun. The top shade also doubles as a travel case when it's closed. So when you're done using the top shade, you can just pop it down and it protects your GoPro inside there. And the top shade is replaceable via the grub clamp for vlog setups or when you just don't need the top shade. The Action Box Cine also comes with a set of magnetic stackable ND filters. And you can stack up to 2 of those ND filters at a time on the Action Box Cine. This is a great feature for really bright days or when you want to capture long exposure photos with your GoPro. I tested this out the other day with some waterfall pictures and they came out really well. For those photos, I stacked the ND32 and the ND16 and it was great. I could get that long 2-second, 5-second, and even 10-second exposure. In addition, a CPL filter is also included. This filter can be installed directly on your GoPro, and it's really helpful with preventing the glare from the sun on those bright days. Especially if you're around water or any other type of reflective surface, it helps minimize that glare dramatically. And this side wheel right here also allows you to control how much of that CPL filter is being applied. So if you don't want the full effect and you only want some, you can easily turn this and you're going to see the line here rotate around and you're going to see the CPL effect adjusted. And the hot shoe mounts on the case are also very useful. If you're someone like me who likes to use an external microphone, you can easily clip on the microphone right here. And you also could clip on lights or pretty much any other accessory that uses a hot shoe adapter. In addition, if you own the GoPro USB-C to 3.5mm mic adapter, there's a spot down here where you can pop this on the bottom of the case, and this is going to help hold that in place for you right here. So you can plug in your USB-C here, and the adapter will go through here. That way you don't have that adapter just hanging off your camera, which is the case when you don't have this case. So that is the Action Box Cine. It's a really cool product and I love the innovation and usefulness of this product. If you'd like to help fund this project and bring it to production, make sure to check out that Kickstarter link in the description below. It's getting really close to full funding and I would love to see this product succeed.